Do you think AI will replace your creativity? The short answer is no, it's not meant for that, but it can certainly give you back your time if you use it the right way. Ciao, y'all. I'm Chiara, content marketer and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative entrepreneurs master AI powered content marketing so they can grow their audience, sell their work, and stay in their creative flow. If you've been worried that using AI might make your content sound robotic or less you, this video will show you how to use AI for content creation without losing your voice and how to make AI your creative partner, not your replacement. Let's start with the big fear. Most creatives worry that AI will steal their voice, their originality, or even their job. And honestly, I get it. You spent years developing your style, your way of expressing ideas through words, visuals, or stories. The last thing you want is for a tool to flatten that. But here's what most people miss, and I challenge you to shift your mindset on this. AI doesn't replace creativity, it accelerates it. When used intentionally, AI can handle the structure of a repetitive task so you can focus on the soul of your message. Instead of seeing AI as competition, think of it as your creative co-creator or content sidekick. It's not here to take over, it's here to collaborate with you. Imagine having a creative assistant who helps you brainstorm ideas, draft faster, and organize your thoughts while you stay in control of the final expression. This mindset shift changes everything. AI becomes a tool for amplification, not automation. So you bring the story, the heart, the nuance. AI brings the speed, the structure, and the data-driven clarity. Together, you get to create more intentionally with less stress and more flow. Let me give you a few examples of how this looks in practice. You can use ChatGPT, for example, to generate content ideas based on your brand's content pillars, your 3 to 5 preferred macro topics based on your brand's role and target niche. But you still decide which ones feel aligned. Or you could use AI to outline your blog or video script, but you infuse it with your tone, humor, voice, and perspective. You can also use AI to refine your content strategy and spot gaps, but you make the emotional and creative calls. In other words, your AI assistant does the groundwork for you and gives you a solid draft, but you're still the mind who turns the process into something beautiful and deeply human. So here's how I personally use AI to stay efficient and keep my authentic voice intact. Number one, voice training. I save samples of my best writing and feed them to ChatGPT as references. Basically, I copy and paste a draft or link to existing content like a high-performing blog or social media post. I say something like this. Here's an example of my writing style. Casual, inspiring, and human. This is where you share your sample. Use this tone when creating my content. The more you feed AI with your best content, the better the output will be. Way number two, idea expansion. I give AI my original idea, then ask it to expand or reframe it in new ways. This helps me see creative angles without losing my core message and unique perspective. Way number three, final editing. I never post AI's first draft. I always infuse it with personal stories, data, metaphors, or emotional language that only I create. Way number four, voice check. Before publishing, I analyze if the tone matches my brand's personality, supportive, strategic, and creative, and if any additional edits are needed for more personalization. This keeps my content efficient, but still uniquely mine. So here's your challenge for this week. Try one part of my workflow. Maybe use AI to brainstorm ideas or outline your next post and see how it feels when you guide it with your own voice. And if you want a step-by-step system to start using AI confidently, download my free guide, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. It's linked right below. And if you found today's tips helpful, hit subscribe for more AI content creation tips like this and join the Museum Creative community where marketing meets creativity. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!